What is up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to see another video. I'm so excited about today's video because of this face. Look at this look. Literally obsessed with the James Charles palette. I have every color option I could ever possibly need, and y'all know that makes my heart so happy. Yeah, so I hope y'all really love this look. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. I kind of want to do like a pink purpley look. First, we're going to dive into Pinkity Drinkity, and we're going to use our Morphe M518 brush. Then I'm going to go straight into Skip, and I think I'm going to use the same brush, so let's try that out. I'm going to put that right where I put Pinkity. I just keep on going in windshield motions until I feel like it is seamless and airbrush looking, completely blended. The weirdest thing right now is I hear birds chirping outside, and it's only 1 a.m. Okay, then we're going into a single with the Morphe M513 brush and putting that directly in our crease. This brush is pretty good because it has like a pointed tip. It's not too pointed, but it's enough to where you can get in the crease without spreading color, you know, everywhere around it. Then I'm going to go into a Morphe M506 brush and use the color Escape. And we're going to place that in the crease also. That's gorgeous. Wow. So we're going to go back into Skip really quick and just reinforce that hot pink. Now I want to use Spooky, and I want to put it on my outer corner. I'm going to use a Morphe M505 brush. I hope it doesn't come out brown. Ooh, okay, this will work. And I'm just going to pat that right here and kind of swipe. And I'm using a blending brush to do this because it kind of just helps me not get harsh lines. Like if you wanted to use like a packer brush right here, it just wouldn't do well. Your brush is like so important, and I figure that out literally every time. Alright, you guys, then I'm going to take Pink Diamond from the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just going to place that on the lid right here. Yes, that is so cute. Just with my finger first, and then I'm going to clean it up with a brush. This is an Ulta smudge brush. For some reason, works really well for my inner corner if I spray it with setting spray, so that's what we're going to do for that. Cute. Alright, you guys, so I am going to do the other eye and pop on some lashes, and we'll be right back to do the under eye and the face. I feel like this is so pretty and so easy to do. Like, it took like minimal effort, and some of y'all are probably thinking, stop lying to us. And I'm going to use my Fenty primer. Y'all, I'll tell you the best combination are these two. The Fenty primer and the Morphe, I just almost poked my eye. The Morphe Fluidity foundation. These two together, amazing. So I'm going to do that really quick. Right, now we're going to take ColourPop No Filter Concealer and conceal the under eyes. And I'm also going to contour with my Fenty Skin Stick. Alright guys, so let's do this under eye and we're gonna be done. For the under eye, I actually just want to do hot pink. When I keep it like really light, it looks cute on me for some reason. I don't know. I just personally like it, and that's what I'm going to do. I am going to smoke out like where my lower lashes are with the dark purple just so it'll look good and blended. But mostly for the main part, we're going to do hot pink. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I'd say the James Charles palette is a go, a win. I created this look with minimal effort, y'all. I'm not even kidding. Get you some Morphe brushes, get you this palette, and you will be set for a long time. There's so many neutrals, so many colors. You're going to be set for a while. The brushes last forever. Like, I think I've had my first Morphe brush for a couple years now, which is crazy to even say that. Because, like, I didn't even know about them up until a couple years ago, but yeah, I think this look is absolutely flawless. I'm so impressed with how easy I got it to go on, how easy it applied, and yeah, I'm just really impressed. I love it. If you guys love this look, give me a thumbs up. Let me know anything else you guys want to see or any questions y'all have about anything I did off camera. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I hate it when I get crazy ideas because I'm scared I'm going to mess everything up. This palette is gigantic. Okay.